Welcome to Church Central Cloud. In this tutorial, I will show you how to update your members profile. To do that from a dashboard, you need to go to the People category, click on People, and then click on Members. Here you will see your members dashboard. All the members that you have will be appearing here. And to edit each person's uh, profile, just click this three dot button here, and then you will see the edit feature. Yeah, edit. And here you can see all the information about the member. Here you can edit the name, select the gender here, date of birth. You can choose date of birth. Yeah, okay. Select whether the person is married, occupation, put a phone number there. So put a phone number. Yeah, okay. Put a phone number there. Put the email, the address, then enter the status of the member, whether the member is a worker, is a deacon, is a pastor. You can enter all that. This person is a worker, or this person is a member. Person is a member, then you just put the date he joined. Then enter the date the person joined the church, the salvation date, baptismal date, if you have all that, the wedding anniversary. Now, let me mention that wedding anniversary becomes relevant if you have selected that the person is married. If you change this to single, then there will be no wedding anniversary field here. So if you want to enter the wedding anniversary date, you must select that the person is married for that wedding anniversary date to come in. And if the person have done water baptism and you have the date, you need to put all that here. And once you're done, all you need to do is to update member details, and then you will see that. Now the other way to do it is just to click on this card. Just click on it, then you will see the details of the member. Then all you need to do is click this edit. That opens the same form for you, and then you can update the member profile. So that is how to do that, and then you can just update. Okay, I hope this video helps you to update all your members. If you want to delete a member, just the same thing. Click this three dot here, and then you see delete button. So if you just click that, the member will be deleted from your database. Very simple, very easy. Hope this helps you. Thanks for watching. And if you have any question at all, you can watch more tutorial videos on your dashboard. So go to your dashboard. You will see this tutorial video button. Click on it. Then it opens the page for you to watch more tutorial videos. There are other ways you can also get help. You can um, you can use the online chatbot here. Just click on it, and then you can ask question: how do I update my member profile? Yeah, okay, so just type that, and then click this red button here. Just give it a second, and it gives you that. So just everything I've described here, that is what it tells you how to do that. Okay, so the other way you can do that is you can also send a support request here, on that page, on this get support, and that will be sent to us. But the fastest way is just chat with the chatbot. You can watch their videos, and if you need further help, you can send us message on the WhatsApp um, number that you may have received any message on. Hope this helps you. God bless you, and see you next time.